Well, folks, I ain't gonna lie to you. I used to hate raking leaves. Take me about what, hour plus to do these leaves? You gotta bag them, and then you gotta find a place to take them to. You know, you gotta take them to one of them what do you call them, the compost sites over yonder. But what I do now is just make my own compost. And how is that, you say? What I do with these leaves, you got the browns, which is the carbons, and the green from your grass, which is nitrogen. And I got one of them there lawnmowers. If you're gonna get one of them there lawnmowers, get one of them lawnmowers with one of them there bags on the back. And all you do is go over this with the zoom method, and you'll get these leaves up. And the thing that I like about my compost leaves in my yard is I don't have one of them dogs. So I don't have to worry about that poopy scoopy stuff, you know, that dog poo. I ain't gotta worry about any of that stuff. This is just strictly clean leaves and grass. So let me show you the final results. So enjoy the video. All right, folks, let me show you something. This is some compost previous that I started. And these are going to be the leaves that I just raked up with my baggie. And as you can see, it's a fine powder. They're grounded up, so they're easy to break down fast. It's got to add water to this. And I'll have me some good homemade compost for next year. Well, here's another video to watch about composting. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe. Give this video a like, share it, and have a great day.